Coinbase shares pop as JPMorgan upgrades the stock to neutral. The move comes as a reflection of the surge in Bitcoin and broader cryptocurrency prices. Bitcoin prices hitting 52,000. As we're thinking about what the catalysts are for not just Coinbase, but also for Bitcoin at whole, we continue to talk at length about what the event of the Bitcoin halving could mean more largely, but also for the crypto market cap as a whole, what the filing of Ethereum ETFs could also mean for so much more attention and investability. We saw how that played out in Robinhood's earnings as well this week too. So that perhaps one of the other major catalysts to watch.
I did think it was interesting that Gary Gensler, SEC Gary Gensler, chair, saying, really trying to temper expectations about ETF spot futures coming into play in the same way that they saw with spot Bitcoin ETFs. Mm-hmm. Saying, really making it a one-case situation when it comes to Bitcoin. Didn't seem that convinced about spot Ethereum ETFs. Right. It is a very different beast. As we mentioned, it's both the coin, the token, and the blockchain that it runs on. So it is a lot more nuanced than focusing on it as a token. And we continue to see Gensler focus on it as the exception, and not necessarily the rule. So something to keep in mind when we're sort of comparing Bitcoin and the potential for Ethereum as well.
And just the context within the Coinbase call as well that JPMorgan made here, just to conclude with that, they said, in their opinion, they think this Bitcoin appreciation is contributing to better spot Bitcoin ETF flows, which is in turn driving Bitcoin prices higher and pulling other tokens higher as well. That related to the crypto landscape here. And again, they also did cite some of the meaningful Bitcoin price appreciation, really pointing back to the US Bitcoin spot ETFs. It was initially a sell the news event, though, that they did note within this as well and within this call. So ultimately, we'll see exactly how the street continues to react to this JPMorgan upgrade to neutral from underweight. New price target, $80 here for Coinbase.